Hello and welcome. Welcome to the driveway. I got to get some stuff out of this car. Little by little by little. It's just got to be done. So, yes. Oop, locked it. Alright. It is time to deal with some of the things in this car. This will not be a horrible thing to deal with. Oh yeah, that's another thing. This car, when I got it, a guy had changed it from a thing that would hold the door open to a thing that lets the door close, which is not necessarily good. Alright, so I don't know how many of you use, I hate that, use guys, I hate that, use guys. I don't know how many of you use distilled water for a CPAP machine, but I do. So, time to get that out of there. It is. Yeah. Here is something I met up with a fellow a while ago. Oh dear, things are falling. Who is a photographer. Oh, there's a cable. Oh, did I just lock the doors? No, I did not. Who's a photographer, but he's also into video stuff, and he does remarkable things. And he gave me this cute little monitor, and I'm just looking. HDMI. I guess it's probably supposed to go onto some sort of holder. It's a Marshall. I'm gonna have to find little adapters, but this looks cool. It does. It looks like I will need BNC to composite. Now, the reason I'm working on here, because this is the driver's seat, I've been having trouble with this car, and that the back hatch has stuck. It's a stupid design where there's no release. Oh, that's a brush. It doesn't need to be in the front. So it can go in the back. So, it is sunny, and I don't do well in a whole bunch of hot sun. So, lucky cables that might help with that thing. That little monitor thing, more cables. Oh yeah. That may also be helpful. Is that thing RCA? So, sorry, yeah, whatever they are. More cables. I should try and get back in touch with this fellow. I should. You know what? This is going to be a whole lot of little short videos, I think, because I can't stay out here in the sun for very long. I cannot. So, what I think I'm going to do now is put a bunch of these cables into this bag. Maybe two. This little wee monitor into this bag. And I can take it upstairs and experiment with it. Let's see. I know what else is sitting here, and I want to get it out. I do. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with it. Oh, okay. Yes. You never know what you're going to find in this car. Oh, now I got to be careful. I mean, this car certainly has its blemishes. I got to be careful I don't do anything worse. And there is an 8250 dual drive from a Commodore. Well, could be a PET, could be a SuperPET, could be a 4032, could be a 4016. All kinds of things. What's this? Oh, this is a box. Maybe I'll put that up there for the moment. What's this? Oh, what's that? That's a bag. This is another box. I don't know. I don't know what's in it. As I said, this could be a bunch of short videos. Alright, it's getting hot. As I said, I don't do well in the sun. Here, this is a little case. This holds the little transmitter receiver thing and microphone things. So I'm going to put that in my pocket. And I think what I'm going to do now, see, the hardest thing is getting started. There, I've started. So I think what I will do now is stop recording and take a little break. I'm going to take the bag and the cooler and the water in, and then I'll do more of this later. But I got to get the car empty, one step at a time. Anyway, oh, this drive here, is it ever going to work? I don't know. I don't know. I got it from a place I kind of refer to as a bunch of scoundrels. But I always figure parts are good. Parts are good. Actually, from the front, this looks pretty good. The top, oh, not so good. Oh well. Alright, that's it. That's all. That's all I can do right now. It's getting hot. Even though it's not really that hot a day, it's getting hot. So thanks for coming. See you again soon as I continue to work on the car. Bye for now.